Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we're sharing with you guys how to fix the SE error on your Samsung washers. The SE error basically just means that your washer cannot drain fast enough, which usually means there's something backed up in your filter. I'm going to show you guys all how to fix that. It's super easy. All the way down the bottom left hand side of your washer, there's going to be this little box. All you have to do is push it. You're definitely going to want to have some towels and maybe some sort of bowl or Tupperware or something to let out some of the water drain. Is what you're going to pull out. You're going to need to have your bowl and your towels laid down because once you pull out this stopper, the water is going to start coming out. And you're just going to drain everything that comes out of here. The water might smell a little funny. That's totally normal. This is the actual filter. This is where you're going to find the clog. And once you open this, it's going to be like a waterfall of water, so make sure you have towels ready. And you can see that's why my washer is having issues draining fast enough, because my filter is full and everything is probably completely backed up. So I'm just going to clean this out and then I'll show you guys how we're going to put everything back together. Now we're going to do everything we already did except in reverse, so we are going to start with our newly cleaned filter here. We're going to take this and you're going to start twisting it clockwise until you hear it start to click. So once it clicks like that when you're twisting it, you've got it on all the way. Don't keep twisting it or you're going to mess up the threads on it and then you're going to need a new filter piece, which is not going to be fun. So now we're going to take our little tube here and we are going to grab our stopper that was on the end of it. We're going to push this all the way in, twist it, push it. Seems to work the best. Now there's this little hook all the way up on the top here. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's where this sits. So I'm just going to push that back up there onto the hook. I'm going to wipe the inside of this off because it got pretty nasty and like full of water and stuff while we were clearing all that out. We're going to close this back up and your washer should run completely normally now. Basically, if you have a Samsung washer and it throws any code whatsoever, just do this process and it'll fix the code. I don't know why it clears every single code ever. If for whatever reason you've done this and it's still throwing the SE code, I would just unplug your washer and plug it back in. Sometimes the computer doesn't completely reset. I've also learned that. So just a couple tips from me to you. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in another video.